certified translation, notarized translation, court-certified translation, sworn translation. There are many types of legal or official translation for your documents, so why should you care? If there is a foreign element in any of your paperwork for the purpose from doing business, such as signing a contract with a foreign client, or applying for a loan with a foreign bank, to personal matters such as getting married to a foreign national, immigrating, or adopting children residing in a foreign land, you may be required to submit one of the translations I just mentioned. So what exactly do you as a person or your business need? There are two key aspects to keep in mind when identifying what kind of translation you may need for your documents. Firstly, why are you having your documents translated? That is your purpose. Are you applying to study overseas, or are you applying to work overseas too? If we take Vietnam as an example, all of the foreign documents would have to be legalized, authenticated, translated, and notarized for Vietnam work permit application. However, for the purpose of studying at a Vietnamese university, you may only need a simple notarized translation on your transcript and diploma. Secondly, where will you submit the translated documents to? That is the organization meant to be the recipient of your translated paperwork. That can be your new employer or client in the foreign country. It can be an embassy or consulate office or the authorities from a foreign country where you are applying for the visa or adoption purposes. No matter what the organization is, read carefully their requirements in regard to foreign documents or any documents that are written in a language that is not their official one. It is important that you follow their instructions carefully. That sounds quite easy to navigate the world of certified and notarized translations. However, the most common mistake that we see from our clients is that given what they know about their country's judicial system, they naturally assume that it's the same everywhere. For example, here in Vietnam, given that the Vietnamese government typically require notarized translation, the Vietnamese tend to ask for notarized translation even when most consulate or embassy in the world ask for translations that are certified by either qualified translators or translation agency only. Similarly, with expats coming to Vietnam with a job offer, for instance, they tend to ask for certified translation on their paperwork for work permit, while the Vietnamese authorities typically ask for notarized translation. Remember, beyond notarized translations and translations that are certified by a translation company, there are also translations that are certified by professional translations associations, such as the American Translations Associations, also called the ATA, which is commonly used in the United States. There are also sworn and court certified translations that are used in Europe and many parts of the world. This is just the legality of your translated documents that get you through your purpose. From the start of this video, we haven't mentioned translation quality, which is another important aspect. Occasionally, we are told stories of small translation errors on standard documents such as passports and business licenses that can create such a tremendous issue for private citizens and businesses. A lot of the documents are just the starting points. For example, passport translations is the starting point to file for a marriage license in a foreign country, and business license translation is the starting point to apply for a loan with a foreign bank. Any translation error in the original documents means erroneous subsequent documents. And with that, you cannot use them to further apply for, let's say, immigrant visas or investment licenses. All in all, while the legality is critical to your certified or notarized translations, this is really not the legal world where you would require legal assistance. A reliable translation agency can certainly help you through the process as they handle translations on a daily basis. With Thao Co, we have helped expats from around the world to work and reside in a foreign country, or businesses to expand their client base globally. What we can do for our clients, we can certainly do for you. This has been our sharing on certified and notarized translations. We will see you next time with our next topic. Thank you.